Hey guys, have you tried to play Eagle Network's Eagle Pin Rescue? This is one of their many games, play to earn games. But then when you tried to make a withdrawal, this thing suddenly popped up. Alright, so I found a way to get through with it. Alright, so I'd like to share with you guys how I made it through. So you simply log in again using your email address, that one that was linked to your Eagle Network Miner app. Okay, so the system will send you an OTP, and you simply copy and paste that OTP here. And after verifying, uh, you simply hit verify and proceed, and the withdrawal tab will be back on. So here's the thing, guys. I have learned that we are only allowed one withdrawal per month, and the maximum amount for withdrawal is only 1,500. Okay, so simply type in 1,500. If you are going to type in more than that amount, then your withdrawal will be unsuccessful. So you see, I have successfully redeemed 1,500 Eagle token. So that is the thing, guys.
Ooh.